Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can stop the phone from automatically answering the call on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, open up the phone app, then tap on the More button. From the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. In the call settings, go down and tap on Answering and Ending calls. In here, tap on Answer Automatically. At the top here, tap on the toggle button and switch it off. This is one of the features which can be turned on. Once it is turned on, the phone will automatically answer the call when you are connecting to a headset or a Bluetooth device. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings, or tap on the Home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.